Google Fi versus Verizon, which is better? Let's start with Google Fi. Google Fi is a mobile virtual network operator that uses a combination of networks, including T-Mobile, Sprint, and US Cellular, to provide coverage. It's designed for flexibility and is great for international travel. Pros of Google Fi: flexible plans that only charge you for the data you use, which can save you money if you're a light data user. Excellent international coverage in over 200 countries, with the same rates for calls, texts, and data abroad. Seamless switching between multiple networks for the best possible coverage, plus Wi-Fi calling capabilities. Easy-to-use app that allows you to manage your plan, data usage, and payments with just a few taps. Now, the cons of Google Fi. Limited to certain devices for full functionality, some features may not work on non-Google phones. Network coverage can be spotty in rural areas or places where T-Mobile, Sprint, or US Cellular signals are weak. Cons: not ideal for heavy data users, as costs can add up quickly with per gigabyte pricing. Cons: moving on to Verizon. Verizon is one of the largest and most established carriers in the US, known for its extensive 4G LTE and 5G coverage. It offers a wide range of plans, from unlimited data to shared family plans. Pros of Verizon: the largest 4G LTE network in the US, with strong coverage in both urban and rural areas. Wide variety of plans, including unlimited data options, family plans, and prepaid plans. Access to Verizon's growing 5G network, which is expanding in cities and offers faster speeds. Additional perks, like Disney+, Apple Music, and other bundled entertainment options with certain plans. Here are the cons of Verizon. Plans tend to be more expensive compared to other carriers, especially for unlimited data options. International roaming rates can be high, making it less ideal for frequent travelers. Some users report customer service issues and long wait times for support. So, which is better, Google Fi or Verizon? Choose Google Fi if you're looking for a flexible plan, great international coverage, and you don't use a lot of data. It's perfect for frequent travelers and people who want a pay-for-what-you-use model. Choose Verizon if you need reliable and extensive coverage in the US, want access to a wide range of plans, and are looking for additional perks like streaming services. It's ideal for heavy data users and those who prioritize network reliability. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your specific needs, budget, and how you use your mobile service. Let me know in the comments which carrier you're considering. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.